Ensure that your workplace has a quiet space or room that people can go to if they're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or they need a few minutes to themselves. The world can be an overwhelming place for people with autism. There can be too much information to process, too many sensory challenges, and too many people. Make sure the space you're providing is the same space all of the time and does not change. This will ensure that that individual can go to that space straight away without having to worry about spending longer trying to find that quiet space or telling anyone where they are going. The quiet space or room should be away from the main office or workplace and can include things such as lower levels of lighting and softer seating. By providing a quiet space, that individual will be able to ensure that they can reduce stress levels and avoid having things such as meltdowns and shutdowns. They will be able to regulate themselves in an environment away from the main cause of stress, and it will ensure that they're more productive throughout the rest of the working day.